This is the Michael Jackson nose. Do you want your nose to look snatched? Well, you need to watch this video to learn how to get snatched nose like this, because you're not going to learn it from anywhere else but here. So stick around and let's talk about nose contour. I'm going to be using my MUA Makeup Academy Pro Base Concealer in the number 188. When it comes to contour, placement is key. You can't just be placing your highlights and contour in different places because it's going to reflect on your final look. So the way you want your makeup look to look at the end is how you're going to place it at the beginning. So you need to be very careful when it comes to placement. On a normal day, I'm just going to use it directly from the wand, but because I'm assuming I'm teaching beginners, so let's use a brush because it's going to help us get that defined look. I'm going to place the concealer on my hands. I'm going to take a flat brush and just apply it. I'm just going to use the brush to draw out the way I want my nose to be. Because I'm going for a slimmer nose, I'm going to make sure that the contour lines are close to each other so that there's not too much space, because this space in between the nose is the way your nose will look at the end. So if you want your nose to look slimmer, you're going to make the contour lines come together even more. So I'm just going to draw it out. As I'm drawing it, I'm going to stop halfway. I'm not going to draw it down. I'm going to draw it halfway. This is how I've been doing my contour right from time. I talked about it in my last nose contour video, but this is for my new subscribers that would want a fresh video. So now that we have our contour lines, I'm not going to add the concealer yet. I'm going to blend out the contour. So I would focus it going into the brows. So I would advise that if you're going to be doing this detailed contour routine, you do your face first before you do your brows, because I'm going to be blending the contour into the brows. So just blend it out. Just keep tapping it and blending it outwards. Make sure that when you're blending it, there's no product on the brush so that it won't be too much product. Now I'm just going to drag the leftover down the nose. You know, we didn't draw the line in the beginning. You're going to drag it down the nose. Oh my god, this nose is sculpted. Can you guys see? This is the Michael Jackson nose. This is the Michael Jackson nose. Now we've completely blended out the nose contour. There is no more product to blend anymore. I'm going to use my fingers and just tap it in. I'm not even going to lie, with the way the nose is looking, I don't even think I need to put concealer because it's really snatched, but I'm just going to do it because why not? Now I'm going to go into a lighter concealer. I have two concealers which I normally use. I have my LA Girl Pro concealer, which is closer to my skin tone, and I have my Zaron concealer, which is much more lighter than my skin tone. So because I'm looking for a dramatic nose contour, I'm going to go into my Zaron concealer, which is much lighter than my skin tone, and I'm just going to apply it here. I'm going to go into a flat brush and take the concealer and just use a very thin line. I'm using the sharpest edge of the brush to draw a very thin line down the nose contour. Halfway, a line like this. So I'm just filling in the part where the contour did not touch to sharpen the line and give it a more defined look. This is not your everyday nose contour. If you're looking for an everyday nose contour, check out my other video. The difference between the last nose contour video I did and this one is that the last nose contour video I drew the line straight down, but my updated contour routine I do it halfway. You can see that the nose, the concealer line is crooked a bit, so I'm just going to use my hand to clean it up so it's going to be straight. When it comes to drawing, I really suck, so straight lines, they don't really always work out well for me. It's crazy how when I was younger I was really bad at art, like drawing. I'm still bad at it, But it's funny how I'm doing makeup, because makeup requires a little form of art, and when I was younger I was so freaking bad at it. Like, I'm still bad, but then it was horrible. So the fact that I can draw my brows is a testimony. It's like a surprise to me, because anything drawing straight lines, I'm so bad at it. If you are bad at it, let me know in the comment section. But if you're good, let me know. Let's know who the artists are among us in this our YouTube family. So now it's time to blend. We're gonna be using this same brush to blend it. So I'm just tapping it in. Oh, there's still product. Make sure there's no product. So I'm just tapping it in. I went off to set the rest of my face. Now let's focus on the nose, because it's all about the nose today. So it's time to set the concealer that we have applied. So what I'm going to do is take a flat brush and take my Miracle Cosmetics powder in the shade Ginger. I'm going to use that flat brush to apply on my nose. Because when we're applying the contour on our nose, we added a lot of contour, so it's still visible after all we've done to our face. So we don't need to put too much powder contour. All we just need to do is set the contour so it wouldn't move throughout the day. So I'm just going to use a fluffy brush and take a very tiny amount of powder using this shade, very small amount, and just set where I contoured. Remember, we contoured halfway, so we're still going to contour halfway too. And you can use the leftover product to just dust out the rest of the rest. Done with my face, I'm just going to use a little bit of my Milani compact powder and just dust off my nose. Because we have placed it strategically, it's not going to go anywhere. Even if we do our nose like, it's not going to go anywhere. All we just need to do is dust out all the excess, so it's just going to blend into one big happy family. The more you want it blended, the more you add powder. If you want it to be much more structured and defined, you don't need to put too much powder. In order for us to get the perfect nose contour, to finish everything, wrap it all up and give you a yummy looking nose, you're gonna need to highlight. It's just going to give it an edge over other noses that are not highlighted. Okay, I'm just going to use an eyeshadow shade, a gold eyeshadow shade, to just highlight my nose, but I'm going to use a very thin brush to get it precise. I'll be applying the highlighter just on the places that I applied concealer. I have our gold highlighter here. I only place it at the top here. I don't take it down, I take it only at the top. Then I highlight here. So the more highlights you put, the more your nose is going to look more defined. Here we have it, guys. This nose contour is given snatched. Like, if this is not snatched, I don't know what is. Like, I literally do not know what snatched is if this is not snatched. So you can apply all these techniques I have talked about. You can make it lesser or you can make it more, depends on what you want. And I hope that you try it out. If you tried out, let me know in the comment section. If you guys learned anything from this video, please let me know in the comment section and give this video a thumbs up and share this video to someone that wants to learn how to contour your nose, because you're not gonna get this anywhere. You're not gonna get how to do this anywhere. This is premium content I'm delivering for you guys. So don't sleep on me. Don't sleep in on me. Don't sleep on me. Bitches be sleeping on me, but they claiming the work. Don't sleep on me. This is it. This is the period. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you to everyone that supports me, anyone that likes my video. I really appreciate it. It doesn't go unnoticed. If you guys want to see me outside of YouTube, you can check me out on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Pinterest, or Mathildaduku. Anything that is not on YouTube, you're definitely gonna see it over there. So guys, if you guys want to learn how to get this makeup look, I'm talking about the base, like, is it not giving UK girl? Is it not giving? Okay, I'm gonna leave the video on the screen here, and I'll leave my other videos here too, so you can learn makeup. If it's not makeup you want, if it's skincare, I got you. Is it vlog? I got you. So Watch my videos, guys. Watch it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.